Here we are the day after the blizzard, and this is my Suburban. You almost can't even tell it's a Suburban. Looks more like a van. See all the snow, how high. Alrighty, and this is our outer door, and that's Jake. Steve's gonna try to get the Jeep out, and I'm gonna try to walk and get out of his way. Alright, I don't know if you can see it very good, but tell Dad to go ahead and go.
What?
Tell Dad to go ahead and back out. Tell Dad to go ahead and back out. Here we go. He's going to back out now. Whoops. Uh-oh. That's not good. No can do, I'm smelling rubber. What happened?
Got stuck.
What are you gonna do?
Look at the Jeep, I gotta clear it out.
Oh, I'm glad it's not me. John's helping Dad try to get his Jeep that's supposed to go everywhere out of the snow. Because he backed it out of the garage and got stuck. And now John's working hard helping his daddy. Well, here you can see the candy canes. The snow is melting just a little bit by little bit. Because now we can see more of them.
Now, if I would have done it, you would have started trying to get me in trouble, huh? Yeah.
Here they are. That's as far as he's made it. Now John's going to help him dig it out again.
Here's some ice.
You dancing? He's smoking down there. Watch out, babe. Here it is. It's nice and clear the day after. I'm telling you, our house is perfectly positioned because we're already starting to melt. Although, with all the snow, it's going to take a long time. And there's Sissy. Gonna shake the snowman. Yeah. Now they're down there. Still trying to get the Jeep out. There's Jordan. She's on the little sled thing. She thinks she's going to slide. No. There he goes. He's going to try to get out now. And it looks like he might do it. Oh.
You can do it.
Uh-oh. And there's our Saki. She's like, I am not going in that snow. I'm a California girl. What are you thinking? He got it. Jake's chasing. Okay. And here's the guy who did it. My favorite part about the snow is where you can look where the sun's hitting and it glistens. I don't know if you can see that on here or not. Oh, there comes Steve. And Jake. Well, all day yesterday you got to see it from the porch. So now here it is from the street.
I can't go sledding at all.
And I'm sure that's like any other 8-year-old, just a little bit of whiny. But isn't the sky just pretty blue?
Look at the jet going across up there.
I don't know if I can see it because I got a little bit of a glare.
Doing video surveillance. Yeah.
Alright, here we are back at the house again. And there's my hard-working teenager out here in his pajama bottoms. But they're Mickey Mouse, so he's cool. And here's the supervisors, Jake and Dad. Yeah. Alright. Here we go, we've got him. I can't really see. Hope you can. That buck's in rut chasing that doe.
Oh, so you're slipping and sliding on the ground? Is he a spike? He got the spike.
Uh-huh.
No, they're both
No,
bucks.
forks. Oh,
They're both bucks.
well, he was sniffing her out. All right. I'm hoping I'm getting this. I can't really tell.
What?
All right. All right. Now try it again. First time I had the lens cover on. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. There they are. All right. He's looking at me. Oh, there she goes, or there he goes. He's thinking somebody's got to be a doe over there. See if he hops too.
Alright, let's get this hitch on here so I can get my